crafty people, and welcome to my channel. I had put in an order at Washi Tape Shop with the Black Friday sale, and it is here. So that is exciting, and I wanted to share it with you because these are so gorgeous. I can't even take it. So first of all, I love how they have these little cards, and these are all stickers too, so you can use these. So cute. Alright, just a little bit of housekeeping. I will put everything that I'm showing today in the description box. I do have affiliate links, and I will also put that information over on my blog at egidesigns.com. And let's get going. Oh, also, right now I think the sale is still going on. If there is no sale going on, then you can use my coupon code, which is EGI Designs, and that is for 10% off of your order. And I will put that in the description box as well. Alright, so this one is called Cobalt Blue, and it's the PET tape, and I just fell in love with this color. It is so good. Let me grab out a sheet of paper so you can maybe see this a little bit better. It's hard to find the end, especially when it's the clear PET tape. Alright, let's see. Look at this. This color is so good. I just love it. Look at that. And what I love about Washi Tape Shop is how long you have until the repeat. So here's the repeat. So this is how long it is, which is pretty awesome. These are, just trying to see, I think this one is actually just the tape, so that is good. These are not stickers. So if you wanted to, yeah, they're just the tape. So you can, cut out what you need, like right here. I'll link to a video that I did. I used some poinsettias, but I put the PET tape on some cardstock and then I die cut it and used that as my focal image. So you can always do that. You can cut these out and use them as seals on your envelopes. So lots of possibilities with that. Alright, and then this one is called Holly Bloom, and this is PET tape as well. This was a holiday one. I'm not sure if it's still available, but okay. So these are a lot of holiday images. We have ornaments and roses and snowmen, lots of good stuff. I love this heart with the snowflakes. This is super duper long too. So here's how long it is before the repeat. Look how pretty these are. Very kind of vintagey looking. And these are actually stickers. So you can just peel them off, put them right on your project. Let me smooth that out a little bit. So these would be great on your holiday projects. Add them to your envelopes. Alright. This one looks so sweet. Alright, this is the Floral Wave PET tape. And these are stickers also. This is more of a springy type of images. These would be great for a like a floral border around the edge of your card, or like if you had this like on the bottom of your card front. There's lots of butterflies, spring flowers. Just so pretty. A lot of floral arrangements on this one. Alright, this one is called Petals en Blanc PET tape. Oh wow. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This would be so good as a border on your card, on your envelope. Ugh. And this is just one continuous, but the edge, I believe, if I can get it. So the edge, it's where that lace is where that is cut. So you get the lace edge when you take this off. So that would be so beautiful. Alright, and then the last, this one is Stamped Wings Washi Tape Sticker Set. So I believe there's 3 in here. And this is washi, so it is not clear. And these are all little stickers. Trying to see where the repeat is on this one. So here to here. That's how many butterflies you get. These are so beautiful. I love the tapes at Washi Tape Shop. They have the most gorgeous tapes. Yeah, so these are just little stickers. You can just take them off. Put them right on your project. These are so cute. These look like little picture frames. How sweet are these? You could do a fun little collage on your card fronts. So that is how long that one is. And oh, I can't wait to look at this one. This one has books, a little garden coming out of books. These beautiful garden butterflies. It's very romantic, this roll. There's some windows. So here's the repeat for that one. And again, these are just stickers, so You can add them to whatever you need for your project. So, and I will let you know that, because I asked Washi Tape Shop about this, because I was worried. I'm in the United States, so I was worried about ordering from Washi Tape Shop and the tariff situation and all of that. And they, when the product comes to you, you are not charged any tariffs with it. I believe it's already added into the price, so that you don't actually have to pay anything. It just gets shipped to you and you are good to go. So we have all of our beauties today. We have the Cobalt blue. We have the stamped wings stickers. We have the Floral wave, the Petals on Blanc, and the Holly bloom. So there's my little mini haul from Washi Tape Shop for today. And again, I do have a coupon code, EGI Designs, and that will get you 10% if there is not a sale going on. And if there is a sale going on, go get that sale. Alright, thanks so much for stopping by today. If you enjoyed the video and want to support my channel, I would love if you could hit that like button and also consider subscribing. I will put over on the top the video that I made using the PET poinsettia tape from Washi Tape Shop, and at the end screen I will put a card making playlist, so that you can get a little bit more other inspiration too if you would like. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye bye.